Guys, welcome back. And I just wanted to do a quick unboxing because I finally tried some not too shabby products. Mostly because Not Too Shabby it's been showing up in a lot of comment sections and been very kind to so many people. I was like, I just really need to try the brand and see what the products are like. So I decided to do that. The one thing I removed is the inventory sheet because I don't totally remember all the things I bought, and it can be a surprise for all of us. Um, so anyway, Not Too Shabby makes a number of things. I would say their style is primarily cute, and I mean that in a good way, and it comes with a lollipop, so I'm already happy. It comes with a cute little thank you card. Make sure I'm not tossing anything. Nope. And let's see what I decided to spend money on. I'm happy this feels like pattern paper. They have really cute pattern paper. So this is kind of running with my theme of buying too many florals lately after watching coloring tutorials on florals and it being spring. So this is a really cute sort of Easter springy florals in a watering can kind of a set. I also picked up some butterflies that look super neat, and I'm always a fan of butterflies. I actually have a Gina K butterflies die set that could go well with this, and Simon Hurley just released one as well. And then we have the Pattern Paper Club. Let us see what we get. I'm guessing pattern paper, but you know. So let's see what we got. We got Spring Gingham, which looks really cute. Anyway, I was saying gingham is one of my favorite patterns, and this is a really nice small gingham, so it kind of isn't super dominant. I know some of them in the past, like if it's a really big pattern, it can sometimes kind of get in the way of everything else. So, or at least like pull a lot of focus. That is the first one, and this one is spring tulips, which are one of my favorite flowers. Oh, this is really pretty with almost like a sketch tulip look. So lots of cool stuff. Like you could certainly like die cut it. I mean, you could cut out these images too and use them as ephemera if you so chose. But and these you can really do that too. And I see it's interesting. They have a line on these. So I suspect this is geared for like a scan and cut or something like that, where you can definitely cut it out as ephemera, because having a line definitely helps in those cases. Anyway, so I'll have to try doing that since I am new to the scan and cut, but these are the new Not Too Shabby stuff I got, and sort of these, I really like this flower butterfly. Anyway, we will likely be using those in projects real soon, so thanks for checking it out.